it's the same thing that I see with a lot of chefs is this popular thing of posting whatever audio track is the popular thing to use on Instagram this week, is whether it's a music track or it's somebody an audio track, a voiceover where somebody's talking about being on the grind or hustling, and I'm putting in this work, support my business, and you're just using this voiceover like everybody's using the same ones. And what happens is, if you just keep doing this, as most people do, many chefs I see doing, I can go to your Instagram account and never actually hear your voice. Every video is a reel where you're using some audio, whether it's a voiceover, another person's voice, or it's music, and every single post is something like that, to where I never actually hear your voice. I don't know who you are. I don't know who I would be hiring. That is not the way to get clients. The best clients, any decent client, is going to want to at least know who you are. Like, people are busy. If I go to your Instagram account and I can't even hear your voice and see who you are, and I go to somebody else's Instagram account and there's a bunch of videos where it's just them speaking plainly and clearly the way we would communicate if we met face to face, I'm going with that other person. They made it easy. People are busy. You have to make yourself the easy choice, and you make yourself the hard choice by having an account where there's nothing but other people's audio, to where I don't even know who you are. I don't know what you sound like. And these things are important, particularly if you're talking about trying to get premium catering opportunities, premium private chef opportunities. These people are not just bringing anybody in front of their friends and family, their business associates or whoever. You got to look the part. You have to give them a high level of confidence that you're going to make them look good, and make sure that their guests have a fantastic time. And you cannot do that with these generic posts that everybody makes on Instagram.